everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll be moving into my new workspace. I'm really excited about it. I've been working out of my driveway for that long. I just really wanted to step up the game this year and have my own dedicated space where I can work on the car, not have to worry about the time, not have to worry about the neighbors and other cars being in the shots and all sorts of stuff like that. So super excited. I'm going to be going over there, move a lot of my tools and all of the stuff that I have around in there, and I might even do a small mod just to welcome myself into the space, and might even have a bit of a chat about what I've got coming up in the future. I've got a few companies that I'll be working with this year, which I'm really excited about, and not really much else to say, but let's get it. So also, I have a pretty exciting thing coming for 2024 since we're talking about this year and stuff that we've got going on. I do actually have a merch line that's coming out. So at the moment I'm in the product testing phase, making sure that they're high quality. You'll see this shirt here as one of the products. I'll give you a little bit of a sneak peek of one of my designs that I've created, but that's just a really short, quick look at it. The final designs might be a little tiny bit different, but just working on that at the moment. So hopefully that will be coming pretty soon. So yeah, bit of an idea of what's coming up.
Perfect.
Two very boring minutes later.
So I'll give you the grand tour. It is literally just where my tools and all that sort of stuff is. I got a dog bed for Lulu so she can come and hang out with me. Door on this side, car fits in here. It looks quite small on camera actually, but I can fit the full car in here and work on it quite easily. It's actually a lot more space than what I had before, which is really good. So one of the things you can see about this place is it's actually really dark. I don't know whether I'll show the ISO. That's pretty much what it's like for me. Thanks to auto ISO, I can actually increase it and make it look better. But I actually got a bunch of lighting and stuff that I can do temporarily. So what I'll do is I'll put those up and show you a little bit what I got, because these things are really handy if you've got metal walls like this and you can't really stick stuff to them. So I got a bunch of these, really bright. Best part, they're actually magnetic. So it's actually a fair bit of light that it creates right there. So I put them up here for the sec. You can actually just move them around wherever you'd like. So this is going to be handy if I'm working on something that's sort of down here. I'll be able to really reposition them to where I want them to be. They're just battery powered, so I can just place the batteries in them when they eventually die, which they will, I'm sure. So I got these 4 along here. I also got some little acrylic mirrors because, funnily enough, like when you're standing in the right spot, it actually does reflect the light that's coming off, the ceiling in certain ways. So that can help a little tiny bit. I've also got these button press lights as well. I just need to get some batteries for them. This is what it looks like with any of the lighting on. It's pretty dull and dark in here. And then now we'll show you what it looks like. I mean, it's a considerable improvement from what it was, and the lighting actually kind of reflects along these walls, which is pretty good. So for the meantime, I mean, works pretty good for me. So now that we've got some lighting, we'll do our first mod on the car. So I'll just bring it in. Alright, so small mod today. Something that I really wanted to address was that the car comes with like standard bulbs in the rear over the number plates, and I'm gonna replace them with LED bulbs because they're brighter and they just have that cooler look to them. Looks a lot nicer and more, new age. So pretty simple mod, this one. First, all it takes is to open the boot, and then we take off this bad boy. So I have some of these, which are LED bulbs that will go in replacement of the little bulbs, but I'll show you how to get those out. Very simply, you just get it, twist, out it comes, and that's where your bulb is right there. So you just pull, and out it comes. And that's the current bulbs that are in the car right now. I'm going to turn it on and just test it with the ignition. Let's just see what it looks like. So one of them turned on. They're directional, so if only one of them turns on, just flip the other one around. And then it works. Now it's just a case of putting those back in. So find the hole, line it up, click it in. Click it in, easy as, and we put all of these clips back on with this. So yeah, this is my place for 2024. I'm pretty excited. It's not huge. Brisbane City pricing is not exactly the cheapest thing in the world. I am 5 minutes from the city, so this is about the biggest that I can get for my budget, but it means that I can work into the night. I don't have anyone else in my film. I'm not on my driveway anymore. I don't have my other residents at my apartment block getting upset by me using tools and stuff into the night. And I'll be able to sort of make it a bit more mine for the channel, focus a bit more. So pretty excited with this. I hope you guys are too. And yeah, next week I'm going to be resuming with all of the mods on the cars. I've got some pretty cool coming, and as well too, I've got some companies I'll be working with this year that are pretty exciting. So what I'll do is I'll leave you with some B-roll of the car to finish off the episode. Just to show you what it's like in its current state. And yeah, see you next time.